What is an infinite loop in JavaScript for loops? Imagine writing a piece of code that keeps running forever without stopping. That's what an infinite loop in JavaScript for loops is all about. It's like a cycle that never reaches its end, and it can cause your program or browser to freeze or crash. In JavaScript, a for loop usually has three parts: the starting point, the condition to keep running, and the update after each loop. The loop runs as long as the condition is true. But if the condition is always true or missing, the loop keeps going endlessly. For example, if you write for with no condition, like for, it will run forever because there's nothing to stop it. Another common way an infinite loop happens is when the condition is set to something that can never be false. For instance, if you write for, let I is equal to 0, I is less than infinity, I++, since infinity is a number that never ends, the condition I is less than infinity is always true. So the loop never stops. Also, if you forget to update the loop variable inside the loop, the condition might stay true forever. To avoid creating infinite loops, always make sure your loop has a clear way to stop. Update your loop counter properly inside the loop, and set a condition that will eventually become false. For example, if you want to loop 5 times, you can write for let I is equal to 0, I5, I++. When I reaches 5, the condition I5 becomes false and the loop stops. Infinite loops are useful sometimes, but only if you have a way to break out of them. For example, you can use a break statement inside the loop to exit when a certain condition is met. Otherwise, they can cause your program to hang and make your browser unresponsive. So, always double-check your loop conditions and updates to keep your code running smoothly. Understanding how these loops work helps you write better, bug-free JavaScript code for your web projects.